Ever wondered how creators make their video pop with color like this? Today I'm showing you exactly how to color grade your videos using CapCut, both with filters and full manual control.
Hey guys, welcome back to Create with Freething, where editing becomes easy. In this video, I'll be teaching you how to color grade in CapCut, filters and manual adjustment. Whether you're a beginner, a content creator, or a business owner looking forward to improve your editing game, you are in the right place. But first of all, what is color grading? Color grading is the process of adjusting colors, contrast, brightness, saturation, and tones into a video or picture to make it pops, to give it a specific look. It helps to tell your story better, and it helps to give professional intake on your videos. So in this video right now, you see I also color graded it. Definitely this is what makes it pop. You can see the original, how I filmed it. Now look at color graded. What do you think? Do you think the original is nice, or the color graded version? So this is what color grading do. The color grading helps to make your video pops. It gives it a professional look. It helps to tell your story better. So since we're talking about CapCut, how to color grade in CapCut, definitely you should already have CapCut in your phone. But if you don't, head over to your Play Store and download CapCut, because I'm going to teach you the step-by-step process on how to color grade your video. So I'll continue from here. Enter your CapCut app and import your first project. So what do you want to color grade? You can decide if it's picture you want to go ahead and color grade, or you want to color grade video. So for this tutorial, let's color grade this video over here. So after importing your clip on CapCut, here do you proceed with your filter. So let's go ahead, let's use a filter for this. Let's begin with filter, then next we talk about manual adjustments. So for this, where do you find your filter? You tap on the clip, then you scroll at this bottom until you find filter. So filter is found at this bottom. We just found filter over here. So you see different type of filter like landscape, movies, mono, retro, 19, stylish, and food. So you choose which one do you like to use on your edit. So you can navigate. That's what professionals do. You scroll and scroll and scroll until you find the one that works best for your video. You just keep tapping on them, keep checking till you find the one you like for your video. So I think I'll just go with this. So you can use this slide over here to either increase or reduce. So sometimes it's best you put it at minimal. Just put it at minimal, so it will not be too much, it will not be too bright, it will not be like too original. So you just put it at minimal. So this is how you add filter. You can choose to add any type of filter you want, for cinematic, for normal video editing, but this is like the one I want for this my video. This is how I edit my video. So you can proceed to manual adjustment. You see adjust over here. When you get to manual adjustment, you see brightness, contrast, saturation, brilliance, sharpening, and more. What are they used for? Brightness is used to increase the light or darkness of a video. Contrast is used to reduce the depth or increase depth of a video. Contrast is mostly used for cinematic edit, when you want to tell a story with a how do I put this, but when you want to like create a cinematic video, you use contrast. Then saturation is used to gives a warm or cold feelings to your video. Then brilliance, I consider brilliance as a sunlight. It helps to make your video pops, it makes your video bright. So definitely I'm using brilliance for my edit, my color grading. So sharpening helps to make things clearer. You see this? So using it too much, like increasing it too much, makes it too sharp. So it's better you use it at minimal, so it will be there but not really too much. You understand? Then for this, you can look at your video, which color do you want to be like more specific. Which color do you want to come out? You can say, okay, you want the light, the saturation of the light to pop. So what do? You go to red and you increase saturation. You see, it gives the light tends to like become darker, and you can see the image, you can see the video I'm editing over there. Then it is becoming too reddish. So but I'm not editing for the light right now. I came here because I want to edit for the blue. So I want my cloth to be a bit dark, so you increase the saturation over here, and if you increase here, you want the cloth to be bright, but I don't want the cloth to be bright over here. I want the blue to be like darker. So this is exactly how you color grade. You just look at it. What do you want in your video? How do you go about it? You can, okay, I want the cap to be like very black. So still on the manual adjustment, you screw and you see black over here. You see, you reduce it, you put it in times -2, and you see it will be giving you that black effect. And temperature, you can decide to add temperature. This is like to make it warmer. This video is already so warm. Adding temperature, you just want to finish editing. So you don't color grade. Like when color grading, you consider what you are color grading, the video you are editing or the picture, so it will not be like the color will not be too much. So you can decide to add shadow. Shadow is to increase the lighting as well, or to reduce the lighting. So highlight also does what shadow does, just the highlight respect the colors in your video or in your clip. Highlights do that a lot. So you can see what highlight is right now. Even despite increasing it very well, the blue is still giving you is blue, the black is still giving you is black, and that's it, but it's just shiny. So highlight is very nice in color grading. You should always make use of your highlights. So and that's all. So after editing like this, and you maybe you add a new project, you add a new clip to the video, and you want the clip to still have the same edit. What do? You come over here and tap manual adjustment, then you tap apply to all. So instead of you going to like re-edit the new clip you added, like I've not edited, I need to edit one after the other, you don't have to do that. All you have to do is just apply to all, and automatically it will, all the editing will just apply to all the old clip you had on your project. So that's a bonus tip for you over there. So you can see the new clip has the same editing. All you have to do is add a filter to it, since this new clip is not having filter. So you scroll down and search for filter. Then which filter did we use? We use clay. So and that's it. We use optimum. We use 50. So look at what we got. Are you seeing? So the same thing. All you have to do is just you are the editor, you are the masterpiece. You just have to understand what you are editing, so you can be able to color grade your video properly. For this video is very shiny, and that's how I want it. So you can decide if you want your video to be darker, you want your video to be too bright. Just you are the editor, you just have to edit it the way you want. This video you want to like, okay, I already edited it this way and I want it to be like a bit darker. What do? You go to your filter, then after those manual adjust, you can decide to even change your filter. You can decide to put something else as your filter. Are you also seeing this? So you can decide to change filter, you can decide to readjust again, like this is entirely everything you can do as an editor. All you have to do is just navigate through the app, search, keep trying new things, keep exploring, and That's how you get the perfect touch, and that's how you color grade your video in CapCut like a pro. Remember, filters are fast, but manual adjust gives you full control over your video project, and it helps you edit it the way you want. Just it gives you the permission to increase, decrease, do whatever you want on your video. The combo manual and filter gives you the best results. If you found this video helpful, hit that subscribe button and turn on post notifications so you don't have to miss any of our videos, and leave a comment, more CapCut tips, so we can continue creating more videos like this for you. See you on our next one. Bye.